Morning everyone, today is Friday the 12th of August and just want to show you a few trading opportunities that have popped up as I've just started doing my morning pre-market analysis. So firstly on the ASX 200, the Australian stock market AUS 200 index, it's got a potential reversal setup coming up on the 4-hour or the daily chart. It's a bearish bat pattern. A bearish Gartley pattern. But there are also some other indicators there that tell me that this is a really high probability area to look for a short. Okay, so we're looking at the kind of the 5594 area to possibly 5600 zone. So within that little area there, you're looking for a shorting opportunity. So you've got a bearish Gartley pattern with some negative divergence as well. You've also got an ABCD completion that hits around this level here too. So an A to B to C to D completion, measured and move. So if you're looking for initial targets, you're looking for probably about, let me just measure that. You're looking for at least initial targets, you're looking for about 74 points. At a risk of about 43 points, so that's a pretty good trading setup to get involved in. But I'll be looking for probably extended targets because I think we're going to see a bit of a correction here. You're looking for possibly targets down to around the 5361 area. So in terms of points there, you're looking at about possibly probably about 250 odd points. Not all, it's not going to obviously happen all in one day. Probably, scattered throughout a couple of days or a few days. But you're waiting for the market to really, right? At this point, you're waiting for the market to kind of trade up into this zone here before you look for that entry. Okay, so just a pretty good opportunity there. On the Aussie dollar, also the same thing. Got a reversal pattern setting up, or it's actually completed already. Let me just see if I can bring it up. There you go. So, if we're looking at the daily chart, there's two patterns setting up. You got the bearish Gartley there, the little maroon color there. So that's already completed. So you're looking for a shorting opportunity, and you can see here, right? You can see you got some pretty nasty wicks here. So that's telling me that this is probably a good area to look for a short. Stops will go initially probably above this level here, but on the other side of things, if the market does head down further, you've got a buying opportunity down here too, so with this bearish, bullish Gartley pattern here too. So, for the people who are looking for, continuation in the Aussie dollar, or actually more upside in the Aussie dollar. So you're looking for a buying opportunity down at the mid 69s if it does reach there. Now that's going to take some time. It won't be in a day or two, so it's just an opportunity I thought I'd highlight there. And the other one I wanted to show you was New Zealand USD, right? So now keep in mind there's heaps of opportunities in other pairs as well, in other markets. I'm just wanting to show you these three because I was looking at these three, but you've got the market in the New Zealand, basically putting in, clearly an uptrend, right? So, and now we've headed into a double top, right? So, at this point, I'm looking for a short, and you can see here the market's already starting to play this out. I wouldn't get into it right now. I'd wait for probably another move to the upside, probably within the day or two. Now, if we get another move to the upside, right? Because I don't want to enter here. Because if I'm entering here, right? Even though it looks like it's going to go down, you're already risking this much, right? So you want, basically the aim of this is you want to reduce your risk as much as possible. And, if the market heads up a little bit more, you can possibly look to get involved, more higher up and reduce that risk up to about, around there or something, right? And then you can increase your reward. So your reward would be somewhere, probably within, at least target ones would probably be around there, possibly. But you're looking to reduce your risk. So if you're looking for an entry, I'd probably look for an entry further up. And, to do that, you look down to lower time frames, right? So you go down to the 1 hour, for example, right? So where were we? There we go. That was the other top there. So you can see The market's come back down, come up to retest. We came back down again, and now we broke above. Okay, so what happened there? Okay, so I have to bring up the chart again, sorry. So what you can see here is, right, this is the top we were looking at, right? So you can see here what the market's done is it's put in the top, it's come back down. We've come back up to retest that previous level, right? It was rejected, came back down, and now we've come back up, we've broken above, closed above, right? But this is what I think this is a false break, okay? So what you're going to probably see is the market kind of come back up to retest this level here, and then what I expect to see is a bit of a move down, okay? So that's how I'm going to play it. I'll probably look for an entry above around these levels here. But yeah, so hopefully that helps. A lot of trading opportunities to the downside soon. So yeah, take it easy. Cheers.